People are still understanding what AI is doing in the tech space. There is an unsure path. Hi guys, I'm Abraham. I work with Andela as a learning analyst. I will be talking about GitHub Copilot today.
If you do not learn as a software developer, you get left behind. Especially now that things are changing, you need to keep learning so that you can stay relevant.
If you want to get into the ecosystem and say, oh, I'm looking for these opportunities, what I say is get the skill. And GitHub has been a great partner in this. Andela's mission is connecting brilliance with opportunity. We have skilled African talent, but the opportunities are not there. So Andela is basically ensuring that opportunities is equally distributed and talent is not wasted. So even from the beginner level, this is where it changes the game for junior engineers, right? Andela has grown to have a network of over 130 companies. It's trying to be not just engineers. And we have trained 3,000 technologists globally. And my response I always give is, if you're a PM in the tech space, you must at least know one IDE. The AI Academy launched in 2025, and the main goal was to upskill the talent in our network. So letting people know you have the skill, that gives you more opportunities. It opens doors for you.
I wanted to understand, how can I use this use case as a project manager?
Before you land a real good gig, there are many people like you there. So this certification has put me many steps ahead.
Copilot has made me an authentic and confident person to say that I know about AI. Having spent so much time with Copilot became like a part of my day-to-day workflows and day-to-day tools to use in my development journey.
Maybe we should focus here and have very specific tasks for the agent mode.
Exactly.
When they finish having the certification, they go to LinkedIn and the post, right? And you're seeing the excitement, the appreciation, what it's doing for them.
Having that human support across the whole program, for me, it's the key that enabled me to succeed. Copilot is just the beginning. When you start experiencing all the benefits, you will need to go deeper and deeper.
It enhances the skill that you originally have, right? And with AI changing how we code, how we think, they say preparedness plus opportunity equals success. With the emergence of AI and having GitHub Copilot, there will be a lot of opportunities.